Hello, I'm Seth Wannamaker. I'm a former resident at QI, and I work at QI in the life path department. My level injury is a C5, C6 incomplete quadriplegic, but I also broke my L1 to L4. And so a lot of people look at me, they don't realize I'm a quad because I got full left arm luckily, only my right hand's partially paralyzed. That's how I get into the car. If I were to teach someone to get into the car, I would have them take off the armrest and put it on the floor of the car. Then I'll take off the side guards. I like to set them right in between the seat and the door, that way they're out of the way. Take off the backpack next. I'll just throw it into the passenger seat. If there's a sideboard transfer, this really want to do the sideboard in first and then get over. For me, I'll just do a pop over. Once I'm in, I'll pull one foot in, reposition, and I like to keep one foot out just for balance. That way I have something, like if it's like a little bit of weight or if it's touching the ground, I got something to like balance on. I'll grab this cushion off next, put that in the front seat, and I like to buckle the seatbelt, that way it's out of the way. It's not banging up against the car, not dragging across me. I'll put one hand on the front, one hand on the back of the handle, and I'll press down and pull up at the same time to flip it up to the front of the frame so I can undo the backrest. In this position, I would recommend grabbing the anti-tips if they have them, pulling them over, putting them in the passenger seat, and while they're here, they might as well grab the armrest, put them in the passenger seat, that way they're not getting close to the pedals. I keep the brakes locked on the wheels, so you got grab points to rotate the wheelchair frame. Then I'll unlock one wheel, quick release, pull off a wheel. I'll bring it to the back seat, spin the frame around, undo the brake, release the other wheel. I'll also put that in the back seat. And I'll grab the center part of the frame, and then I'll make a fist for balance. I'll put it up against the roof of my car. That way I can lean over, grab the frame, bring it up across my body, reposition. I'll cross it, rotate it, and put it in the back seat as well. That's how I get into the car. To get out of the car, it's almost reverse. So I'll grab the frame, cross through the body again. Same thing as before, I'll position my fist up on top of the roof. So I'm going to bring it out of the car. I like to do the left wheel first while it's positioned on the door frame. The left wheel on. Once it's in, I like to grab the hub, pull it up to make sure it's locked in place. Then I'll lock the wheel. That way you got another grab point. But if you have anti-tips, this is where it would be good to get this anti-tip on first while you're in the position. I'll flip it up, and you would want to take your other anti-tip, put it in position. Got the right wheel, same thing, quick release, lock it in, double check the hub, lock the brake, and I'll flip the backrest up. And then from here, I like to do the backpack first, just because once you're in the chair, it can be a little awkward trying to reach behind you, putting that backpack on the chair. But right here, it's like a nice, easy area to just kind of quickly slide it on. Plus, it also acts like a counterweight for when I flip the chair. So I'll grab the handle, one hand, I'll flip it up on the front casters, drop it, catch it, pull it into place. And I'll do the left side guard first. Then I'll do the right side guard. I'll undo the seatbelt. Grab the cushion, slide it on. And then if you have your armrest, bring your armrest down to the floor, pour yourself out. If you need to use the armrest for balance, get your left armrest on first so you can grab it. Put your sideboard in place if you need it, and just do a pop over. And from here, grab the other armrest, put it in place, and then you're ready to go.